I'm overrun with zucchini and I don't even have a garden. We have some wonderful friends and neighbors who have shared their harvest with us this year, and I'm going to make some zucchini bread. Welcome to Recreate the Plate. So I have 4 cups of grated zucchini, and this is probably one of those recipes that if you do not have a food processor and you want to grate it by hand, you can do it, but it's going to be hard. The food processor definitely helps this recipe. I'm going to get my dry ingredients mixed together. So 4 cups of all-purpose flour, and then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Okay. A 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. 3 teaspoons of cinnamon. And you can do 1 teaspoon of nutmeg or allspice. I'm going to do allspice. Just going to get those all combined. Spices smell good. I'm just going to mix that right into my flour. And this recipe is by my dear sweet friend Mindy, who is an excellent cook. So if I can make this zucchini bread half as good as hers, we'll be doing good. She shared the recipe and the zucchini with me and already made me a loaf. So I'm giving it a try. Okay, we're going to set that to the side. Next up are the wet ingredients. So we're going to have 4 eggs and then 2 cups of sugar. I'm using 1 brown and 1 white. We're going to start getting those creamed together with the eggs. And then 1 cup of vegetable oil, along with 1 cup of applesauce, unsweetened applesauce. And last of the wet ingredients is 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Okay, once that's combined, we're going to go in with our 4 cups of grated zucchini. Okay, now we go in with our dry ingredients that we already have combined. Okay, the last 2 ingredients is 1 cup of chopped walnuts, and I'm using a 1/2 cup of raisins. The batter is finished, and it is pretty kind of runny. So I have a question out to Mindy to ask her if this is right. We'll see. Hopefully she'll respond soon. This recipe makes 2 loaves, but I only have 1 loaf pan, so I'm going to do a loaf pan, and then I'm going to do some muffins. We'll see how those turn out. And I have my tin already sprayed, and I'm not going to go too deep with this. Not quite half. I think that's going to take a long time to bake, as runny as this batter is. But it's half full. Might be getting these too full. Gonna clean that up a bit. And I have a couple of little ones I'm going to make. Just trying to use up this batter and bake it all at one time. Maybe 1 more of those. Oh, looks like all the nuts are in the bottom. Oh, that's all the raisins. Let's disperse that around. Okay, this all goes into a 350 oven. For some reason, I have a feeling I didn't do something right, but I don't know what. The smaller tins are out of the oven. They look and smell really good. I let them cool in the pan for about 10 minutes, and then we're gonna dump these out, hopefully. They didn't rise as much as I expected. Pretty flat. My little tins are out of the oven as well. I think I'm gonna just leave these in the pans. Hope they'll come out when I'm ready to eat it. These baked about 45 minutes, and the muffins baked about 30 to 35 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and try one of our little muffins. They look really good. Oh, it looks good and done inside. Mmm. That is really good. It's very moist. The nuts, the spices are really coming through. It's really good. I am going to say though, these are a little bit laborsome to make. I would probably not make these if I did not have a food processor. I don't know that I would want to grate all of that zucchini by hand. There's a lot of ingredients in this, but it's well worth it. You guys, if you have someone that makes you zucchini bread, and especially if they grow their own zucchini, give them a hug. Miss Mindy, I'm sure I owe you a hug. Thanks you guys for joining me on Recreate the Plate.